WABAM U. Today we're going to talk about WABAM Stage surface prep. So when you think about ceramic coatings or any type of coating you're going to put on, you would like to get your surface as clean as possible so your protectant adheres to the paint for as long as it can. So we use our Stage. It's a quick, easy spray and wipe application. Spray it on, wipe it off. Now that's going to clean off any contaminants that are on your paint, any dry on with soap, any waxes, anything like that. It's going to clean it right off and give you a nice, clean surface to apply, whether it's your clutch, your WABAM clutch, your WABAM octane, or your WABAM turbo. Any of our ceramics, this is what you're going to want to use beforehand. Mist it on. And wipe it off. That smells delicious as well. That's WABAM Stage.